to unite under one platform. Let it be the new improved Africa. Call it anything you want. Let it be a strong platform that people will be proud of and own. You cannot go to the center through the window. You will go through the door. You have to work for it. If you do not work for it, it will never work. And you'll be an outsider there. People will be outsiders in the parties that are on here now. Outsiders. Own our own. Belong to us. And you in diaspora, behave like the Jewish diasporans, the way they behave to Israel as the state. Unu non America, unu ma itofabo. Faba Catalano, Funa and Israel. Then United stop flying into Nigeria. Unu ma itofabo. Israel covered their flight. The same flight now to Nigeria. Israel calling them now. Go and see the amount the Israelis are getting from the Jewish diasporans. And they are very small, but they are very powerful. They are like Igbos. We are small, we are blessed, and we are powerful. Oh yeah. A good leader sees very far. A visionary is like a madman. Because only one am hey I can't ebo na my phone amulamu. Unti the one yanka. I have this man. But when we born again, social affair, that's a visionary. And he knows that he will get there, irrespective of the obstacle. A visionary bronyega all weather. Is a patinka, one a patinka. That's not a leader. Or people that discuss people instead of issues. That's not a leader. That's not the kind of leaders in the water.
That's the fact.
We want leaders that are dedicated to the cause of Igbo and will be willing to die for Igbo. And we have so many of them in diaspora at home. All we need to do is to galvanize them and bring them together and march on. This is the moment. This is the moment. If you miss this moment, we have missed it. And our ancestors, I miss some of here. Muna St. Peter, not telling them about it. Before I take my seat, I want to repeat the call I made 1 week ago to Anambra when we marked the 25th anniversary. I want to say that we have come to that moment in history when we must pull together to reclaim our greatness or pull apart and accept our failures as a slave. Not in our lifetime. And finally, let me leave you with 2 quotes. I leave you with the words of Franz Fanon, who observed that each generation must discover its mission, fulfill it or betray it irrelative of opacity. Unquote. I also want to remind you of the Nelson Mandela saying that, I quote, sometimes it falls upon a generation to be great. Let us work hard to become that great generation that our ancestors will look down from heaven with an indulgent smile and say, these are my beloved sons and daughters in whom we are well pleased. This is the time, Igbo, to wake up. Wake up wherever you are. Wake up. You are born great. Wake up. This is the time to wake up. And let it be the cry that you wake you up at night. To push us to behave like the Jewish diasporans and bring our money home. To develop Igbo land. If we do so now, in a few years, we'll take over everybody. We have the intellectual. I ain't Kasim. I ain't Kabat.
Oh, yeah, no. I'll call it.
The fact. Igbo Ekene Mono. Igbo Zuano. Igbo Mwano. Anakwono.